Disney has leveled up its high-tech wristband. This is MagicBand Plus. It lights up, it plays games. I'm going to tell you all about it and how it works. So Disney set up this little demo area to give us a taste, but it's not working yet in the parks. And I'm so curious to really get a full experience and see what it's like. Magic Bands have been around Walt Disney World since 2013. These are RFID bands that hold info on your ticket and activities for the day. You can use them to tap to enter a park, enter your hotel room. It also knows when you have a reservation to bypass long ride lines. Now, these bands are not necessary to get around the park, but they have been used by Disney to add little interactive perks in some areas. A good example of this is at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Depending on what you do on the rides or in the land, your server at the cantina may get an alert and mention something to you about your day. This upgrade takes it up a notch by giving you something to wear to play particular games. It buzzes and lights up to clue you into something that you can do nearby. There will be missions all over the park. In particular, there is one at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, that's the Land of Batuu, where you can do a job for the Batuu Bounty Hunters Guild. You would take your Magic Band over to a job board. This is by the garage area. And when you go there, you'll have to tap your band to an activation area to kind of get started on your mission. At this point, you'll get messages in your Play Disney Parks app to tell you who they're on the lookout for and how to hunt them down. And really, you're just kind of walking around, seeing if you're close or far based on how this thing is flashing. Green means you're getting warmer, and red is going to mean that maybe you're getting too far away. Now, when you've arrived at the right place and have found the droid you're looking for or the alien creature you're looking for, you know, general scum and villainy, then you'll get an alert on your band. It'll vibrate, it'll light up, you'll get a push alert on your app, and I'll tell you what to do next. You don't know what kind of mission you're going to get each time, and it'll be a different door for every mission, so not everyone's going to be crowding around the same area. But in this case, if my guy is behind this door, let's scan it. Come on, show yourself. Whoa, that's a big guy. Hello there. Yeah, I got you. Found Jagabaju. He comes from Jakku. Nothing good comes from Jakku. So if you're running around and maybe you're having a hard time, there's going to be a lot of different push notifications, different elements that they're trying to kind of nudge you along because they don't want you just wandering around the whole day with different color lights. So the app will work in different ways. If you want to just restart or get a new job, you can do that too. And through the Play Disney Parks app, it's going to clue you in on where to accept a job. So if you're new to the area, you don't have to wander around lost. This is not the only new twist to Magic Bands. Recently, I saw a similar experience being incorporated at Disney's Galactic Starcruiser. That's the 2-night Star Wars hotel, the immersive theater experience. And I have a whole video you can check out here about that. Now, as a guest, you used both the Magic Band and the Play app to go on quests and do missions for the Resistance or the First Order. But this Magic Band Plus with bounty hunting adds a level of immersiveness which is going to be available to anyone visiting the theme park, not just for people who pay extra to experience the Starcruiser. There's another mission in the Play Disney Parks app. It's the Fab 50 quest, where you have to go find these golden statues around Walt Disney World. And if you get close enough, your Magic Band will kind of go off and you have to, oh, there you go. See, now I'm getting a little vibration and I have to wave my hand and spread Tinkerbell's magic.
Gosh, sure is a nice day.
Haha, there you go. And the more of these you go around and collect, you'll be able to do different AR things in the app. So it's just more interactivity and more entertainment as you go about your day. So these are the 16 different designs that will be available to buy when it goes on sale in the summer. Some are pretty basic with a solid color. Others have different characters, different sayings, designs. My particular favorites are going to be the one that's themed for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge because it just kind of looks cool. I also like the retro throwback. But no matter what you pick, they're all going to be able to do all the activities. It's going to come fully charged out of the box, but depending on how much you're using it on your vacation, you're probably going to want to top off the battery when you're back in your room. So you would just plug it in and snap it in. There will be instructions inside, I'm told, that will tell you that if it's flashing a certain color light, you'll know that the battery's low. Yes, this is still waterproof, just like the old version, so you can still wear it when you're at the hotel pool. There's another new twist to this. MagicBand Plus works with Amazon's voice assistant, but we don't know how yet. Disney is not giving examples, but I do have some ideas. So if you stay at a Disney property hotel later this year in Florida, they're gonna have these Echo Show 5 devices with their own special assistant called HeyDisney. So if I get in the room, and this is gonna work with Alexa, what's it gonna tell my device? Is it gonna let me know, hey, I saw you do all those quests in the park today? Is it gonna react maybe to all the credits I earned at Galaxy's Edge? Is it gonna say, hey, you found Mickey today in the Mickey statue? What exactly is this pairing with Alexa? And also, I hope to see a lot more than just statues and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in terms of interactivity. They say it's going to be able to work at the night shows. Maybe it'll flash in certain ways and kind of match the lighting of whatever show you're at. It would be so cool if like you're in line for a ride and something happens in the pre-show and you get a buzz that kind of brings it all together. There's a lot of potential here to be able to level up different moments in your park experience, especially when you're waiting in these long lines. You want some fun things to do. I would love to be able to maybe buzz and tap different things if I'm waiting in an hour-long or more line. So we still have to see what else to come. As far as pricing goes, Disney is not saying the exact price yet. It could be a range. There was a day where it went on sale for just a few hours and was taken down, and some of the plain colors, the solid colors, they were $29.99. But it could cost more if there's a character. Right now, the Magic Bands that are on sale do have a range of prices depending on what character is on the band. By making this another gadget you have to charge, but also giving you a new way to play games in the parks. This is interesting, that Disney's kind of leading the way in doing more interactivity, adding more tech as part of your vacation. So I'm looking forward to seeing what else they can do. And I am interested in how other theme park companies, how other entertainment venues may look at this and go, hey, you know what? People are more welcome to have a wearable and go around and experience and use technology to kind of enhance their entertainment. Now, MagicBand Plus is coming to Disneyland in California. That park has never had a Magic Band before. When it comes to Florida, they have had Magic Bands, and that upgrade will be coming sometime in the summer. No exact date yet. I'm looking forward to seeing where they can take this. If you have ideas on what they can do with Magic Bands in the park, let me know in the comments. In the meantime, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Boom! It's a wrap.
Oh boy!